Assalamualaikum. My name is Amna and I have done front-end web development from PNY. My instructor name is Bilal, which is the most cooperative teacher, and I have learned a lot of things, and I making this website food delivery, which name I select tomato, and in which I made 4 pages: home page, menu or mobile app. If we click home page, we are in home page. If I select any item like cake or sandwiches, if I click cake, in below show cake items, all type of cake which my website has. And I am saying that PNY is really very outstanding institute, and Sir Bilal is very superstar teacher which guide like instructor, spectacular teachers, and he is very outstanding.